To fix the issue of black screen occurring on Zoom, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you fix the black screen on Zoom. Now if you wanna fix the black screen of Zoom, make sure that your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then that may also be the reason that you are getting such kind of error or issue. The next thing what you need to do is that you just need to open Play Store or App Store on your device. So after opening Play Store or App Store, you just need to search for the app called Zoom, and you just need to open the Zoom Workplace app and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. And if you see any kind of update available for the app, you just need to tap on the option of update and make sure that it is available to the latest version. So if that is not done, then that may also be the reason that the Zoom is showing black screen on your device. So if you do all of it and that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device once and check if there is any default problem on your phone screen or the problem is of the Zoom. So if that's the problem, then it will help you to fix it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.